Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to update Selenium version in Eclipse. First, open your Eclipse IDE and select the project where you want to update Selenium. Next, identify the current Selenium WebDriver (JAR) files within your project's build path or lib folder. Then, download the newest stable Selenium WebDriver (JARs) directly from the official Selenium website to ensure you have the most recent features and bug fixes. This initial step is crucial for a smooth update process. Now, it's time to replace the old files. Carefully remove all existing Selenium JAR files from your project's build path and any associated library folders. This prevents conflicts between different versions. After removal, add the newly downloaded Selenium JAR files to your project's build path. Make sure to include all necessary dependency JARs that come with the new Selenium package. This step ensures your project references the updated libraries correctly. With the new JARs in place, we need to configure the build path. Right-click on your project in the Eclipse Package Explorer and choose Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to Java Build Path and then select the Libraries tab. Here, you should see the newly added Selenium JAR files. Confirm that all the necessary libraries are present and correctly linked, ensuring Eclipse recognizes the updated Selenium version for your project. Finally, let's verify the update. Perform a clean and rebuild of your project in Eclipse to ensure all changes are fully applied and any cached information is refreshed. Then, execute your existing Selenium test scripts. They should now run successfully with the updated Selenium version, confirming your upgrade. If you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This final check ensures everything works as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.